everyone. So it's another day on my YouTube. You're welcome back. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe and like the video, okay? And enjoy the ride. So today is 6th March. You know what is the 6th March? Is our birthday. Yes. Obia birthday. If you're a Ghanaian, it's your birthday. So I saw this culture it's Apkle festival. So I don't know if the Apkle is the food or something, but I'm like, I'm going. Why not? Like 2025, we are leaving our comfort zone. We are trying everything. If it doesn't kill, right, or it doesn't hurt, we are trying it. We are leaving our comfort zone. So yeah, I'm going there. So I know it starts at 11 and it's 11:20 right now. But let me just change and eat something because I don't know what's out there, and I think it's going to be a long day. Yeah. So let me eat something and then change. Unfortunately, I don't have an African print attire here, so I'll just wear anything. Yeah. So yeah, let me just rush because it's late already. I'm late already. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm done. I'm done here. I'm actually I'm anxious right now. I haven't been to such place alone. No. And then I tried convincing my cousin to join me, but she's not in the mood, I guess. And it's 12 already. That means I'm late. I'm done. Okay. I'll just step out and then yeah. I have my power bank. I was looking for my power bank, but I have it. So far, that's all. I'll take my tripod and yeah, we are good to go. So basically, that's all for now. Yeah, so let's step out. Let me show you the outfit. Let me show you. Alright, guys. I told you I don't have an Africa point. It's funny. It's not like I don't have it here in Accra. Yeah, in Kumasi. So yeah, I'm done. I have my clothes bag here. Everything they inside. I should they inside. Polish they inside. Water, everything. So with my big bag. Tell me why I haven't accessorized. Give me a minute. So I'm all done now. So see ya.
baby.